Culture. Noun. Way of life. 1. Uncountable. The customs and beliefs, art, way of life, and social organization of a particular country or group. European, Islamic, African, American, etc. Culture. Working class culture. 2. Countable. A country, group, etc. with its own beliefs, etc. The children are taught to respect different cultures. The effect of technology on traditional cultures. Art, music, literature. 3. Uncountable. Art, music, literature, etc. thought of as a group. Venice is a beautiful city full of culture and history. Popular culture that is enjoyed by a lot of people. The Minister for Culture. Beliefs, attitudes. 4. Countable, uncountable. The beliefs and attitudes about something that people in a particular group or organization share. The political cultures of the United States and Europe are very different. A culture of failure exists in some schools. Company culture. We are living in the consumer culture. Growing, breeding. 5. Uncountable, specialist. The growing of plants or breeding of particular animals in order to get a particular substance or crop from them. The culture of silkworms, horse silk, cells, bacteria. 6. Countable, biology, medical. A group of cells or bacteria, especially one taken from a person or an animal and grown for medical or scientific study or to produce food. The process of obtaining and growing these cells. A culture of cells from the tumor. Yogurt is made from active cultures. To do, take a thought culture. Extra examples. Children need to learn to understand cultures other than their own. In some cultures, children have an important place. Jokes are an important part of our popular oral culture. Newcomers to the company are soon assimilated into the culture. Prisoners are isolated from the wider culture of society at large. She experienced great culture shock when she first came to Europe. She is a woman of wide culture. The Romans gradually assimilated the culture of the people they had conquered. The computer has changed the culture of the design profession. The new director is trying to foster a culture of open communication within the company. The paintings reflect African American culture. The social security system has been accused of producing a culture of dependency. These ideas have always been central to Western culture. A country containing many languages and culture groups. Immigrants who embrace American culture. The development of the enterprise culture in Britain. The political culture of the US. He had never left his village before, so arriving in the capital, Manila, was a big culture shock.